In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request refund on Amazon for late delivery. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to say, and how to get a clear answer from Amazon support. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the account you used to place the order so Amazon can pull up the correct details. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the customer service link. Depending on your device, it might also appear under the Help or Account menus. Click that to open the Support Hub. On the customer service page, select the option labeled Aid Delivery, Order, or Return. This takes you into Amazon's guided help flow. You'll see a section that says, "Tell us what you need help with," followed by a prompt that asks, "Which item do you need help with?" Amazon will usually show a list of your recent orders here. Choose the specific item that arrived later than the promised date. If the order isn't listed, there's typically an option to enter the order number of the product. You'll find that number in your order confirmation email or within your orders on your account. Copy and paste it carefully to avoid typos, then continue. Next, you'll be asked to describe what's going on. Keep this simple and factual. Mention that the package arrived after the guaranteed or promised delivery date and that you're requesting a refund or compensation for the late delivery. Include the original delivery promise and the actual arrival date if you have them. Polite, concise wording helps the agent process your request quickly. After you submit your details, you'll be guided to get an answer. Amazon usually offers a few ways to connect, often a chat, email, or a call. Chat is typically the fastest. When you're connected, confirm the item, the order number, and the late delivery date. The agent may offer a refund to your original payment method, a credit, or another resolution based on their policy and whether the item was fulfilled by Amazon or a third-party seller. If they need verification, they'll let you know right in the chat or call. Make sure you receive a confirmation message or email summarizing the solution. A few tips as you go. Check that the delivery was truly late compared to the promised date shown at checkout or in your order details. Be aware that policies can vary by region and by seller, and if you're offered options, choose the one that best fits your situation. That's it. Straightforward and effective. Follow these steps, provide clear details, and you should have your refund decision quickly.